Just a moment. I have to play with it a little bit. Okay. Do you see it now?
Yossel.
Yes.
Yosu. Okay. So let's start by listening to the music and then we can go from there. Okay, guys.
Man ga je steeds eruit, ik zie je hand gestrooid. Mijn hart is meer bij hoe naar hier. Het is meer heet en koud, en hier de groen al. Een beetje mensen, we moeten twee of meer. Die lieve brengt ons weg, ik zie je stark maar weg. En nog mijn jossen, mijn darling, mijn dier. Maar boeken, als je er meer zo dan verzanen, ben er jossen.
To mute everybody.
Zijn melk is dit, nog geld en wat op dier. Ik voel hem jeden nacht op een dier. En gisteren is er haren, mi fabulatore. Ik grap heel moediel. Als je dag meer, als ik corona hier, als je een boeger met haar grootste bombe geld. Het is geen geringe dag, ach ik is het klaar. En venster is meer geworden mijn bed. Mijn man is nu hier, en Jossel krijgt hem hier. En harten en kosten in de deel. Van drinken, van eten kan je geen pijn moet vergeten, Jossel, kriegt mir nog geen zin. Oi, mijn gaatjes, kijk maar uit van hier. Zijn melkjes is nog als een warm dier. Ik voel hem jeden nacht op een dier. En gisteren halen, mi fabulatore. Ik grap heel no dier. Oi, mijn gaatjes, kijk maar uit van dier. Zijn melkjes is nog als een warm dier. Ik voel hem jeden nacht op een dier. En gisteren halen, mi fabulatore. Ik grap heel no dier.
Bravo.
Okay. Guys, when the song is on, if you want to sing along, just mute yourself. I didn't mute anyone because afterwards it's a problem because I have to tell everyone unmute, unmute, unmute. So, but if you want to sing along, no problem. Just mute yourself. Okay, so let's start reading the English. Okay, Janet, please.
The 1920s and 1930s saw a lively exchange of Yiddish theater and popular songs between America and Europe. Last year, we heard the singer-scholar Jane Poplar sing Mr. Malachamovus, Ich bin busy, Mr. Angel of Death, I'm busy, originally sung in the 1920s by Nellie Kasman. Kasman wrote, you want me to go on?
Yes, please.
Okay. Kasman wrote the music to Yussel, Yussel, Yussel in 1923, and her husband, Samuel Steinberg, wrote the lyrics. She sang it in the musical Das Chazedel The Chazandel. Oh, that's
The
a
Chazandel.
endearing for a cantor. The Little Cantor. It was reprinted in Warsaw in the 1930s by the Yiddish bookseller and publisher Itzhak Zelanik, and Jane Papler reprinted it in the 2014 in her compilation, The Itzhak Zelanik Working Files. Like Mr. Malachi Hamovitz, Ich bin busy, Yussel, Yussel, Yussel contains some English words. Can you find them?
Okay, thank you, Janet. Andrew,
welcome.
can you continue? You are muted, Andrew. Andrew, you are muted. We couldn't hear anything.
The
So,
phrase
the-
on
the-
Ashir appears 3 times. It means without limit. The word kvel often means to beam with pride, but in this song it means to torture. The verb kriechen means to literally to crawl or to creep, figuratively to get inside your mind. It also has a sexual connotation. The yetzer hare means the inclination to do evil, and specifically to lust. Der Yetzer Hare Git Miratore means it pushes or incites her.
Okay, thank you. Andrew, would you want to try Yiddish for once? Or
Well,
no?
I prefer not to. I would hold you up. So let me.
No
just
problem.
pass on that.
No problem. Michael, would you like to start? Mein Chayes?
Sure. Mein Chayes geht heraus, ich fühl ich halt nicht aus. Mein Herz tut mir weh, gar ohne Schier. Es wird mir heiß und kalt, wenn ich wär grau und alt. Und weiß der Menschen, was gefällt mich.
Can you translate it, please?
Sure. Mein Chayes. My life is going out. Ich feel ich halt nicht aus. I feel that I'm not hanging on there. I'm not continuing to live. Mein Herz tut mir wie Gor onashir. My heart is doing something without a limit. Tut mir weh is hurting me without a limit. Es wird mir heiß und kalt. I feel hot and cold. Ich werde grau and alt. I'm getting gray and old. When weiß der Menschen, and you know people, was gefällt mir, what's bothering me. I mean, it's not growing. Quellen is to
Torture.
prosper, but quellen can also be torturing.
Torture, right.
Okay, so do you know what? Can you read another?
Sure. Die Liebe brennt als Schreck. I'll rather do it line by line. Die Liebe brennt als Schreck. Love is burning like a fright. Ich starbe weg. I feel I'm dying. Noch mein Yossel. I'm dying for my Yossel, my darling, obviously what darling is. My dear, again, my dear is obvious. A bocher, a young man, a schener, a nice one. Mir soll sein für seine Beine. I'll give up anything for his bones. Yossel, ich kapier noch hier. I'm dying for you, Yossel.
Okay, thank you very much. Maurice, you want to add anything?
I think that's fine. I think in the page before, there was one phrase, what was it? Ich halt nicht aus means I can't take it. I can't take it anymore.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. Just so Michael will know, Maurice is sending us the weekly song. So I'm referring to his judgment every time. So just so you know. Elaine, yes.
Can you just the next to the last line, Mir soll sein für seine Beine? Can you just sort of translate that better? I'm not, I mean, it's like I want to jump your bones.
No.
No, I
It
mean,
means I would sacrifice myself. I
Yes,
give up my bones for his bones.
yeah.
I mean,
Or
the,
any illness he
the
had.
general phrase is mir soll
It's a
sein
term of
Fadir,
endearment.
mir soll sein Fadir.
Hmm.
I would sacrifice myself for you. And then you can get specific. Mir soll sein für seine Beine, for his various body parts.
Okay.
okay, thank you.
Sure.
Okay, I think Bonnie, that's your part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oi, oi, oi. Yasso, 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 yasso. Oi, oi, mein. Chayas,
Uh-huh.
Eyes, yeah.
That's it.
gate arois on deer. Okay, so I'll translate. Oi, oi, oi. Yes, Joseph. Oi, oi, mine. And someone just translated this as chias as life.
Life, right.
Can you explain that?
It means I'm dying. Mein Chayes geht arois.
Okay,
My
okay.
life force is
life
dying
force.
out.
Okay, okay. So my life force goes out. So it's my life force goes out to you.
No, here means without.
Oh,
Without you.
without.
My life is just
Okay,
slipping away.
Okay, okay. Oi, 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 oi. Yasso. Dein Marker sitzt noch als und wart auf dir. So my queen
No,
sits.
your queen.
Your
Oh,
dying.
dying.
Your
Yeah,
queen.
dying.
She's talking
Okay,
about herself. Your queen.
Yeah, your queen sits. Is that after all?
Noch als means still. She's still
Still sitting and waits for you.
Right.
Okay. Oi, oi, oi. Yasso. Galm jeder Nacht nur von dir. So, oi, oi, oi. Joseph. I dream every night. Is this after you? I'm not sure how to translate it.
No is only.
Only. Okay. So I dream every night only for you.
Right. I
Only for you.
about you.
About you.
Right.
Okay. Thanks. Und geht der jetzt Haare mir amol a teure. So I'm not real sure about this and give and I'm not sure what it's higher is. I guess it's
Yetzirah. Yetzirah in general is the inclination to do evil, but it has the specific connotation of lust, sex. And so, and sometimes the Yetzirah get me a Torah, it pushes me, it incites me. Get it?
Hey, they had sex back then too.
Are you sure?
How we all got here.
Right.
Okay. And Yassel ich krapir nach dir. So is this Yassel I die for you?
Yes, I'm dying
Yeah.
for you.
I'm
Yeah.
dying for you. Okay. That's pretty heavy. Okay. Done.
Thank you, Bonnie. Thank you. Good. Yes, Cookie.
What does the word Torah mean? I've sung this song 1,000 times. I never knew what the word Torah means.
Torah,
It's
it's
Torah.
it's a push. It's an incitement. It's an excitement.
Oh, I thought it meant like a reason to.
No, I mean, it may also, but when you're talking about the Yetzirah, means
Give you more lust.
lust, right? And every once in a while, lust takes over her
Oh, I see.
because of yussel, yussel, yussel.
I got it. Thank you.
This is a
Okay.
love song.
Yeah,
Yes, it is, right, in a vaudeville style, right.
okay. Henrietta, can you read, please?
Gedenk as shidduch meer. A glik gore on a shir. A shenem bacher. Met a groise bambe gelakt.
Geld,
Geld,
geld.
geld,
Geld. A bambe geld, a lot of money. Es is kein geringe Sach.
Gringe.
Huppe stelt gleich und Fenster ist mir geworden in mein Welt. Okay,
Good. Can you translate it? If there's a problem, Maurice Bilal.
give me a minute.
Sure.
We talked to Shidduch. A glick in mein share. I'm not sure.
yeah, this is a little bit complicated because it's understood, ze haben gerett a shidduch mir, they arranged a shidduch for me. So the first part of the sentence is implied. They arranged a shidduch for me. A glick unashir, and here she's being sarcastic. What a wonderful glick this is, unlimited joy for me. But of course she's being ironic because she doesn't.
They
want to
arranged
get a
it for her.
shidduch. She wants yussel.
She wants Yosel, of course. She wants his banner. Okay, go on.
A good looking fellow with a large bomber galette.
Geld.
Bundle maybe.
Like a bundle or a wad of money with a big wad of money.
Well, she's being sarcastic here, continuing.
Right, she's describing the shidduch that she doesn't want, right? The chusn that she doesn't want.
He's not a green fellow.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
gringe, right, gringe is something good, something easy. This is kein gringe Sach. This is not a good thing for me.
Finished translating Maurice.
Sure. A chuppah stellt gleich. He's ready to put up a chuppah. He's ready to get married. She's talking about this shidduch that she doesn't want. Und Fenster ist mir geworden mein Welt, and my world turned dark. All right, this is not what she wanted.
Any question about this slide before I move on?
Just an interesting point.
Yes.
There's a very good story by Agnon called Aposheta Maisa, which deals with exactly something like this. The guy marries somebody, the guy's in love with one woman, but has to marry another woman.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sipur Pashut, yes.
I think there are a lot of stories like that.
Yeah.
The reason this is interesting is Agnon wrote the story in Hebrew, but it was translated into Yiddish.
Into Yiddish, yeah. Well,
Thank you. Asheinen Dank.
it's not easy to translate Agnon to any language, yeah. Okay, Elaine, yes.
The sentence a chuppah stellt gleich. Like, what does gleich mean there? I know
Right
what
away,
gleich.
in this context, it means right away, fast. He's ready to get married
Oh,
right away.
Okay. Isabel?
The second line, last word, shiur, which I know in Hebrew.
On a
is-
shir, yes, on a shir. It's not shiur in Hebrew.
Okay, it's shir.
It's on a shir, without limits,
Okay.
okay?
Mhm.
Okay, so Isabel, if you're here, read the next one.
Mein Mann liebt mir Ona Shir
Again, yeah.
und Yossel kriecht zu mir in Herzen und Kopf.
Cup.
Cup.
Kopf, okay. Und Herzen und Kopf und Umetum beim Trinken, beim Essen, kann ich ihm kein Mal vergessen. Jossel kriegt mir noch in Sinn.
Good.
Okay. So,
My man, my
my
husband,
husband,
she has a husband already?
well, the one that she got married before, in the,
Oh, she already married, okay. My husband loves me without limit. And Yossel is creeping towards me. We translated that before. Kretsch, how do we translate that? Kriegt.
to me, is like entering me, or like, you know, Maurice, how would you? put it?
Crawling.
What was the question? I missed it.
Kriegt.
Kriegt zu
He
mir, but
creeps, he
kriegt zu mir
creeps.
in Herzen. In
Right.
Herzen.
Right.
Is entering my heart.
It's like getting to me.
Creeps.
Right.
Creeps into my heart.
Probably
Yeah,
a
so-
double meaning here.
Right.
So
He's
it's
still
like
in my,
getting to me, into my heart, into
Yeah.
my head, and everywhere.
Right. In my heart, and in my head, and omatum everywhere. Beim in drinking, in eating, yeah, I cannot forget him at all.
good.
So
Keinmal, never.
what?
And Jossel kriegt mir noch in Sinn.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Right. In Zin, in
He's
her
creeping
mind.
into my
In her
mind.
mind.
You can't get
So-
rid of him.
She cannot get rid of him while eating, while drinking. She cannot get rid of him.
Right.
Morty, please, yeah.
Yeah, just to clear up on the fourth line, beim Trinken, beim Essen. Beim is not really in, is while drinking, while
While.
eating.
Yeah, while, yes.
No matter what she does.
Yeah,
he's-
when I'm drinking, when I'm eating,
Right.
I still
Yes.
think of him.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Morty. Elaine, yes?
Nor in Zin. I thought Zin was sun, so
No,
tell me,
Good.
Mhm.
No, Zin, it's,
Zin is
it
sun.
means her mind.
no, S-U-N. I
That's
thought
no,
Zin
not
is
in the
Zun.
sun. No, no.
Yeah, it's, I think it's technically Zun. But
good.
depending on what dialect you speak, you say Zin. My
Okay,
parents would have said Zin.
so translate, all right, so translate. I got Yussel creeps into my mind already.
Noch means still. He's still creeping into my mind. Noch,
And so what does in Zin mean?
in my mind.
Zin is
Zin.
mind?
Zin is
Zin is
mine.
mind, right,
And Zun is sun.
right.
But we, like Maurice and I, will pronounce it Zin.
Zin,
But it's
right,
written with a Vav, not with a
Right.
Yud. Okay, Elaine?
Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, Cookie, yes.
I just want to say that I think Zin is like almost half a word. It's like in Zinnenarijn. You could say Zinnenarijn. Meer than Zinnenarijn.
No,
Zinnen.
it's a full word. It's a word by itself, look, Cookie. It's a word by itself. There is
in
no problem.
Zinnenarijn is 3 words. This is just 2 words. In
No,
Zin.
but I mean Zinnen. You could say
No,
no.
yeah, but I think that's an accusative or a dative case. I'm not sure, I don't remember. In Zinnen, it's, okay, it's a form of the word Zin.
Right, right.
But
Yes,
But it has nothing to, it is never, it's Zin, whether you're a Litvak or a Grutiana. It's not Zun. Zun is son. Zin means in mind, and a synonym is Zinin, Zin or Zinin.
Dictionary has Zin as mind.
Good.
Very clear, period.
Okay.
Yes, that's made it.
My mother used
Okay, Neely, you haven't read for a long time, Neely. Can you read? I saw you that you are here, Neely. Neely. Okay, Julia. Okay, I see that people are here, but they are not really here. So, Cookie, read.
Oi, oi, oi.
I am here, but
You are here? Okay, read, Neely. Read.
it was closed.
Okay, read, please.
Oi, 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 Yosul, 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 Yosul. Oi, mein Chayut geht a Reus an dir. Oi, 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 Yosul, Yosul, Yosul. Dein Maike sitzt noch als unwart auf dir. Oi, 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 Yosul, Yosul, Yosul. Ich holom jede Nacht nur von dir. Oi, geht der Yetzer Hara mit Amol Atara. Yosul, ich krapir noch dir.
Perfect, Neely. Yofi. I don't think that we need to translate it once again. We translated it.
It's
before.
the same thing in the beginning.
Yes, right.
Yeah. Okay, so just let's listen to it once again. And again, guys, if you want to sing along, no problem. Just mute yourself like I'm doing right. Elaine, before we, yes.
Okay, I just wanted to add a little thing that I wanted to share. I grew up with Saturday morning cartoons, the cartoons that were on when we were kids. If you grew up in the United States, I don't know. I don't think you had it in Israel, it was in the late 40s, early 50s. And I remember hearing, when there was a chase, there was always music. If the kid was chasing the mouse or the rabbit, whatever, there was always music. And I remember hearing this music played on the violin. That was the background on the cartoons. And I found out much later that so many of the survivors of the Holocaust who wound up in the United States they wound up in Hollywood, or they were saved. There was a whole bunch of people in Hollywood who were bringing musicians States, to help them escape from the Holocaust. And a lot of them wound up playing all these Yiddish songs as background for these cartoons because they got jobs as musicians in Hollywood. I just thought I would share that with you because this is the one I remember. I know there were others, but I definitely remember this one, and I was familiar with it. So like, what are you doing playing Yossel, on the cartoon? But anyway,
Elaine, this is your assignment. I want you to research that cartoon with that music and send it to the Winkel.
It was probably like a Tom and Jerry, one of these. I know it was a chase scene, because if you think of this music, it was, and I remember saying to my mother, "Mom, that's Yossel." And then I found out many years later that there were people who actually helped talented people in Europe actually escaped from the Nazis, and they wound up there, and that's what they were able to do. But yeah,
you got your assignment.
Okay, thanks, Elaine. Thank you very much. That was interesting. Yeah, Mariv, yes.
Yes, there are books out on that subject, and particularly Disney hired a lot of klezmer people to do the music. It's a well-known thing.
Okay, yes, Cookie.
Starting route to Fort Somebody else. they also have English words to this that I sing.
Okay, but guys, if you're talking, please mute yourself. I cannot follow you all the time, so please, okay? Yeah, Cookie, English is English, but we are in a Yiddish class, so let's listen to it once again in Yiddish, okay?
Mein Chayes geht zerreut, ich will ich halt nicht streut. Mein Herz ist mir weh, du und Aschia. Es ist mir eins in Kalt, denn ich der Gruen auf. Denn welcher Menschen bewusst es weh auf mir. Die Liebe brennt erschreckt, ich will ich starb weg. Denn nur mein Jochen, mein Jarin, mein Dir. Abuche, a schöner mir so dann versahne, beiner Jochen. Ich krapir nur dir. Oi, 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 mein Chayes, geht vor euch zu dir. Oi, 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 dein Maus gesehen, noch auf dem Wort auf dir. Oi, 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 ich hole ihm jede Nacht auf mit dir. Den Gitter jeder Haare, mich amulatore, ja, ich krapir nur dir. Teret hashidach mir, agli kurun ashir, a sheinem Bucher mit a größe Bombe gel. Es ist kein Gringe da, ach ich ist es Schlag, im Finster ist mir geworden mein Welt. Mein Mann ist wie schier, ein Jossel kriegt mir, den Hassen, den Quassen im Medien. Beim Trinken, beim Essen kann ich ihm kein Mut vergessen, ja, du kriegst mir noch ein Sinn. Oi, 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 mein Chayes, geht nur euch zu dir. Oi, 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 dein Maus gesehen, noch auf dem Wort auf dir. Oi, 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 ich hole ihm jede Nacht auf mit dir. Den Gitter jeder Haare, mich amulatore, ja, ich krapir nur dir. Oi, 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 mein Chayes, geht vor euch zu dir. Oi, 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 dein Maus gesehen, noch auf dem Wort auf dir. Oi, 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 ich hole ihm jede Nacht auf mit dir. Den Gitter jeder Haare, mich amulatore, ja, ich krapir nur dir.
Wow.
Okay, so that was Yosu. And does anyone want to add anything, ask anything before we move on to the story?
Well,
Barbara has her hand up.
Barbara, sorry, I didn't see you, yeah. But you are muted, Barbara.
Sorry. Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. So Maurice, I didn't see it. So did Nellie Castman actually sing what we were hearing?
Yes.
Is that Nellie? That's Nellie Castman singing.
That's Nellie Castman. Yeah,
Oh, okay. Thank you.
sure.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Okay. Any other comments or questions? Okay, no. Okay, so we are going back to Shanghai, and for Michael, who was not with, because we are in the middle of a story, it's a story about, you know, immigrants to Shanghai that came from Vienna before World War started.
I
right?
actually read the story.
You read the story? Perfect. So I
Online.
don't have to do it again. Okay, wonderful. So we are now when he's getting all the answer from his relatives and friends that, sorry, we cannot do anything for you, but we are sending you a package and like, that's what we can do. So we are on page 60 and let's share the screen. And I will make it larger in one moment. Tell me if more.
More. One
Okay. Okay, I think that's enough, guys.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
very good.
Yeah.
So
Very
we stopped here. It's okay. I think I just need to go up again. It's Shulem Menashe. That's it. It runs by itself. It's Shulem Menashe. Okay, so Bob, that's your part.
Yeah. First, I want to thank everybody for entertaining my wife every Tuesday morning. She hears all this stuff and she's just in a great mood. She puts her in
Good.
the rest of
Okay.
Good.
We are happy to oblige.
I'm wondering who took out all the vowels? Why did you take?
It's a
Okay.
plot.
This is like, you know, the second challenge, right? This is
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try. So it's Shalom Anesha's brief von Argentina. Shalom Anesha schreibt, Yedidi Isaac, es hat mir sehr gefreut von dein Brief. Dear Isaac, my dearest Isaac, I guess, Didi.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
he is my friend. My friend.
I'm just delighted to receive your letter, so to speak. Ich wollte alles getun von dir, von dir, von mein besten Yedid von Kosovo. I'd do anything for my my friend, my best friend from Kosovo, the old country, I guess. No es ist Rachmana Litzlan nicht zuzutreten zu der Argentiner Regierung. Only it's heaven preserve us was the dictionary's translation of that phrase. It's just not, you can't proceed, can't do anything with the Argentina government. Es ist gar nicht zu machen, nothing to do. Eine Sache verstehe ich nicht, Isaac. One thing I don't understand, Isaac, was willst du von und kein Argentina? Exactly why do you want to come to Argentina? Ist den nicht gleicher America oder Canada? Isn't it quicker to go to America or Canada?
But I think life here will be
Easier.
better, no?
Well, I looked up, yeah, so Lifer would be easier, but, well, I said easier first. And then,
Easier.
Is it more
Either.
direct?
Direct,
more-
yeah. To
Yeah.
Argentina, America or Canada. Sollst mir tegen schreiben, wenn du wirst nur gets kommen. So you should let me write to me immediately when you find out where you're going, or when you
No, where?
where you're going to go, where you're going to end up, or
Yes.
yeah. Ich verstehe dein Matzav. I understand the situation. Will ich dir bli neder morgen euch schicken, euch schicken, euch
Arroz.
schicken up, thank you, Pecco. And I'll be sure, I promise to send you a package tomorrow. Menini, Shalom Manesh Hertz. Yours, I guess, Menini.
Yes, for me, yeah, it's yours.
Shalom, and then it's Point Azoy, Hoben Oisgezen the Amerika brief.
Iberike, Iberike.
Iberike, and that's basically was what appeared in the rest of the letter.
Exactly. Oh, okay. Thank you, Bob. Thanks. So I see people raise their hands. Elaine?
What is Bli Neder?
Bli Neder is Bli Neder. I don't know how to translate Bli Neder.
It sounded like I promised to do this.
Without
No,
promising.
It's
yeah.
like a vow. I make
But
a
Bli is without, right?
Yes.
Bli is
Yes, Bli is
without
without.
fail.
And netter is a
What is-
vow, netter's a
Wait, too
vow.
many people talking.
Yeah, too many people. I know. Morty, can you
Yes.
translate it? It's
Yes, bli neder. First of all, it's in Hebrew, not in Yiddish.
I know that.
And secondly, it's a saying used when you offer to do something, but you are not swearing that you are going to be able to do it. So you offer to do something, but you don't ensure that you are going to do. Bli neder, without
Like
vowing.
Nidre, from Kol Nidre.
That's right.
Neder.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Like you promise, but you don't swear, kind
But
of
you
thing.
don't swear that you are going to be able to do it.
good. Yeah. Okay, Morty, you also raised your hand?
No, that was that. It was for that.
You wanted to talk about this. Okay, thank you. So, Susan, can you continue? Noch wenig? Susan, you're muted. That's why we cannot hear you.
Noch wenig, was Isaacl hat gehabt, als größen Agmas Nefesh von die nicht freiliche größen Grußen hat noch gehabt, Sheberes Halev von goldenes verzuckt Punim. And even less, the fact that Isaac had such big an annoyance from the not happy greetings, even more than the fact that he had annoyance from the not happy greetings. He also had, and I don't know what,
Shivras Halev, heartbreak.
Heartbreak?
Yes. His heart broke.
Okay, shever is break?
Yeah, to break.
Hebrew.
Okay, sheveres. Oh, heart, sheveres halev, from Golda's disheartened looking face.
Which word was annoyance?
Ogmas Nefesh.
Sheveres nefesh.
The Ogmas Nefesh, that's also Hebrew.
Ah.
Okay.
Verendigt mit die Brief hat sich ungeheuben an Arbeit mit die Pekelach. When he finished the letter, he just began his work with the packages. Wollten zij God alle umgekommen in ein Tag, if they had all come in one day, woltus gewein a knappe Zure. It would have been a bit of a trouble. Aber nein, jeden Tag a pekel, but 9 packages and
No, over 9, but no.
but aber, what I lost.
The no refers
Aber nein, but no. Every day a package. Und jeden Tag is Isaacl gelaufen zu der Post, and every day Isaac had to run to the post office. Gesäumt sich dort a ganze Tag. He spent there, wasted there a whole day. bis hat das Päckl gekriegen until he could get the package. Und jetzt heimbringen das Päckl and then bring the package home. Und es zuhalten mit beide Händen and holding on to it with both hands. Es soll sich gar nicht ausschütten. Holding on with both hands so nothing would fall out. Also hat es genommen ganze 8 Tage, and that took up his time 8 full days. Emes, die Päckelach seien gut zu neu gekommen. In the end, the packages came through okay. Seien doch gewesen gute Sachen. And they had good things, sei von Speis, either from food, und sei von Malbushim, or from things to wear, von clothing. Aber als Isaacl und Goldele haben mal Guck getun auf der ganze Krumm mit Päckelach, but when Isaac and Goldele took a look at the whole store with packages, haben sie gesehen, the whole store that they had picked up, they saw as kein visa is nicht du. There was not a visa among them. Want me to continue with?
Yeah, the two lines, yeah.
Goldele is in die Nacht nicht geschlafen. Goldele at night couldn't sleep von Sorgen und Kränkung. Or she couldn't sleep from worry and feeling sick. Was sie hat wird müssen zurückgehen kein Wien. And the fact that she would have to go back to Vienna.
Okay, thank you, Susan. Thank you. Barbara, can you read today?
I'll try.
Okay, good.
Probably need
Nina.
help. Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
Maurice.
I just want to point out that the word "sunitz" literally means useful. The things that were sent were useful.
Ah, okay. The packages, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Barbara.
Noch 2 Gedäuschen hat der Amerikaner Kanzler sich der Mond in Isaac Gewürzmann. Hat ihm zugeschickt a brief. And
Okay, so translate, yeah.
After a couple of months, the American consul contacted Isaac officially. Does that mean officially?
No, sich der Mann, he remembered it.
Okay.
Der Mann is to remember something.
To remember, but when it says in Isaac Gewürzmann,
Yeah,
so
der
what is a
Mann-
Gewürzmann?
His family name.
His last
Oh,
name.
that's his
His last
family name. I
name.
didn't
That's his
remember.
last
Okay.
name. Gewürzmann is his last name.
That's his family name. I didn't remember it all. Okay, thank you. Hat ihm zugeschickt a brief, and he sent him a letter. Von Aufregung is Isaac's Brunnen rot geworden und seine Hände haben gezittert. And von so from Aufregung,
Anger.
thank you. From anger, Isaac's face became red and his hands trembled. Goldele is gestanden Leben Isaaclin, and Golda was standing next to Isaac, mit gehalfen reingucken in Consul's brief, and was able to look into over, I might say, over the shoulder of Isaac at the consulate's letter. Should I go on?
Yes, yeah.
The consul bet Isaaclin, the consul asking Isaac, soll euch vielen die 2 Boygens Papier. And the council was entreating or asking Isaac to fill out, I assume, the two forms, the paper forms of was liegen in convert and that were inside an envelope. Een Beugen for him and een Beugen for Goldelen, and one for him and one for Goldelen. Soll schreiben. He should fill it out, write. Wenn geboren, when he was born, wo geboren, where he was born. And what is this expression? Amala Simcha? Is that Simcha?
Male Simcha. He was full of he was happy.
Okay, thank you. Is Isaac Lynn geboren, and he became happy. He was filled with
Happy,
joy.
full of joy. Simcha is
Yeah.
joy. So.
Ja. Is herumgelaufen über der Stub, tanzend, and he ran around the room dancing. Hat Gier gehabt, dem Mantel auf sich, he put on his coat, gelaufen zum bitte Schreiber, and he ran off to the guy who's going to write this out for him.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Barbara. Any
Thank
questions?
you.
Any question till now?
Mina,
Yes.
I just want to point out that Mola Simcha, in the past, we've had Mola Chain and
Yes.
Mola Kas, full of charm, full of anger. So it's a kind of a useful Mola like that.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you.
Can
Okay,
you
Morty.
repeat that? I'm sorry, can you repeat that? I thought he was happy and then you said anger. I'm a little confused.
No.
The expression Mola, full of, so here it's Mola Simcha, he was full of joy. But Mola is also used for Mola Chain, somebody who's charming, full of charm. Mola Kas, somebody who's full of anger. It's
Got
just a useful word to know. That's all.
Thank you, Adank.
Okay. Morty, can you continue? Die
Ja.
Wiener?
Die Wiener haben sich gegreit zu sehr Zurückkehr in der Heimat. The Viennese were preparing for their return to their home, their homeland.
Homeland, Heimat.
Sie haben aufgefrischt die Walisen, aufgewischt das Wort Shanghai, aufgewischt das Wort Shanghai in auf dem Ort umgeschrieben Wien. They freshened up, cleaned up the suitcases, erased the word Shanghai, and in its place wrote Vienna. In their Verein hat man jeden Tag gehört feierdicke Redes wegen der Freude mit der Heimat. In their association, in their society, you could hear every day fiery speeches regarding the happiness with the homeland. Noch die Redes hat der Eulim gepatcht bravo. After the speeches, the people clapped their hands and screamed bravo. Als es ist nicht kein ander Land, muss die Heimat gut sein. Since there is no other land where to go, of course, the homeland has to be good enough. Von Isaaklin haben seine heimische Wiener gespaßt. About Isaac, his homeland people, his homeland Viennese, talked or said, joked,
They
yeah.
joked about.
Spaß ist joke, Spaß ist joke, right.
Poked fun.
Made fun of him. Wo's Isaac? America? What Isaac? America? Ihr hat schon die Visa. Do you already have the visa? Ihr hat schon a Schiffskarte. do you already have a ticket for the ship? Isaacel hat nicht gekannt sich kein Eize geben. Isaacel could not figure out by himself mit wus
Midilating.
could not handle these bad guys, not to use another word.
Jokers.
Jokers. Yeah, okay,
The clowns.
jokers. Their Wörter haben ihm gebrannt. Their words hurt him very much.
Gebrannt.
Gebrannt. It really means that they burned him.
Burned.
Yeah. Hat gewollt sie ausziedeln, für seine fuhren keins Dom. He wanted to boil them.
And
for
scold
their-
to scold them.
to scold them.
To scold
Okay.
them.
To scold them
Oh.
for their actually the translation is going to Sdom, but it really means being such bad people.
No, but also, no, Morty. Sdom here is Vienna.
Is it?
I think so, because Sdom, you know, all the bad things that happened to them
Ah,
in Vienna
for seine-
before coming
yeah.
to Shanghai.
So it's not foreign, it's foreign.
The Foreign,
Foreign,
yeah,
right.
Versailles
Foreign.
Foreign,
Kein
Sdom.
Sdom.
Yeah.
That they're,
Okay.
that they're traveling to
Yeah,
Sdom.
for
to the-
traveling
yeah, to
to Sdom, in this case Vienna.
Can
Yeah.
you translate that without interruption one time?
Okay.
Yes, hat gewollt sie ausziedeln, für sehr fuhren kein Sdom. He wanted to scold them for their traveling to Vienna. Hat gewollt ausschreien die Chatuim auf viel von sie. He wanted to scream the sins that fill them.
I think
Dus
of
auf viel von sie.
of many of them, I think.
Yeah,
What do you think?
I don't. Doesn't make
viel
much
von
sense
sie.
to me.
He's
Talking
I
about
see.
their sins.
Yeah.
Their sins of making fun of him and telling him that he's going
Yes.
to. But
Yeah.
with viel von sie doesn't make sense to me.
Of many of them, but what are the sins of many of them? Of going
Maybe.
back? I don't know.
Of making
But-
fun of him.
Or of making fun of him.
That's what
maybe.
I was thinking of
Yeah.
making fun of him. Yeah. They sind aber a Sach, and there is einer allein. However, they are many, and he is only himself, only one. Hat verbissen die Lippen und geschwiegen. He bit his lips and stayed quiet. Sollen sie fuhren, wohin es zieht sie, may they go wherever they feel like going, und wird fuhren, Leut sein Verstand. And he will travel according to his own understanding.
Okay, thank you, Morty.
Mhm.
I see that Rachel, you have a question?
No, I have a comment.
Okay.
Oisiedlin, I think, means to curse, like Shelton. He wanted to curse them.
That's also, it can be. I found in
That's
the
the way
dictionary,
that's the
the-
way I heard it growing up.
the dictionary says scold, but yeah, it can also be, you know, curse them, yeah.
Well, Ziedlin by itself means to curse.
To curse, yeah.
Curse.
Yeah.
So Oisiedlin means he wanted to curse them.
Curse them out. Right.
Yeah.
Get them out, yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you, Rochelle. Yes, Cookie?
What's the word chatoy?
Chatoim. It's in
Sins.
Hebrew, it means sins.
Sins?
Sins. Like
Yeah,
chet.
remember
Al chet.
An Aveda. No, isn't Aveda a sin?
Avery is a failure. And it's in Yiddish. Avery comes from Avera, but it's less than a sin. It's doing something wrong, something bad.
Oh,
But
Hassan
chet,
Aveda.
Chatoim is the plural of chet, which is sin.
Dead.
Okay?
Okay, then Hashem.
Oh, okay. Karen, can you continue, please?
Yes, I'm afraid that I don't understand it so well.
Okay, we will do it together. We are doing it
you.
together.
In die Geslach von gewesener Ghetto is heint a freilicher Geruder. In the gases of the former ghetto,
Yes.
is that what gewesener means?
Yes,
Gewesen.
yes, yeah.
It is today a joyous noise. Morgen kommt der Herr herab, wichtiger Mensch. Tomorrow,
yes,
will come here an important man. Ois fragen jeden einzigen, wohin will fahren, asking each one where he will travel.
Yeah, so Karen, just a moment. So this is based on reality. There was the joint sent people to Shanghai to ask them to which country they want to go. If it had any influence or to what happened, I'm not sure. It needs more research. But actually, people came from the joint and filled out all kinds of forms, asking people where they want to go, to which country they want to go from Shanghai. So I just wanted you to know that it actually happened. So, okay.
Yeah, also in the DP camps, they did that too.
Yeah, but the problem is that it's not always, didn't
Sure.
always have any influence of getting a visa. So,
Minna, where are you saying they came from? The joint? What?
Joint.
the joint.
The JDC, Joint Distribution
JDC.
Committee.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, go on, Karen.
Die Doseka Shura.
Psula.
I'm pronouncing it with a P.
Yes, it's pronounced with a P. P.S. Psula.
Hat Isaaclin in ganzen Machaya given the this news made Isaaclin it delighted him.
Yes. Good.
Yeah.
Is given a neuer Mensch. He became a new man. It's glaubt now he believes, as und Goldeler willen schon ja sein in America. Now he believes that he and Goldeler will certainly, yes, be in America. Waren, does that mean truly? Waren.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, truly.
Was is es epis aspas? What is something of a joke?
Yes.
A choisik, a mockery.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes, sure. So just a moment before you continue, Karen, I see that Elaine raised their hands. So
Yeah, the word doziker, where was it? Where did I see? Yeah, die doziker besora. What is
This here news?
This here news.
so doziker
Those are kids. This here news. This particular news.
and besora?
News.
News. Okay, so doziker, this like does. Okay.
News or a message or an announcement.
Yes.
Right.
Okay. So go on, Karen.
It is Ezekiel Arois Nakoma Nemen in die Wiener. I now Icicle went Nakoma, I cannot remember. Oh, vengefully?
Yes,
Vengeance.
to take
He's
vengeance.
gonna take revenge.
To take on the Viennese.
Right.
Then geht up die Schiff. When is the ship going? Für was take nicht America? Why truly not America? Die Wiener seinen blass geworden von Verschämtheit. The Viennese became pale from shame. Für was take nicht America? Why not America?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Karen. Beverly, you raised your hand. You're muted, Beverly.
It's important to know that two organizations, the Joint Distribution Committee and Hayas, Hebrew Immigrant Association, they were at the forefront of bringing immigrants to America, and they still do it today. They're not bringing Jewish immigrants. Maybe they are, but
The joint is.
they're in the forefront of immigration, and that's who came to help the people.
Okay.
Placed.
Yeah, that's important to say. Thank you, Beverly. Okay, Beverly, why don't continue to read?
I know
Handler
we're.
sein-
Oh, Wen geht up dem Schiff? No.
No. Händler seinen.
Yeah. Händler seien jenem Tag nicht gegangen zu sehr Handel. What is Händler?
Merchants.
Merchant.
Businessmen.
Oh, they didn't go that day to their store, I guess.
Business, right.
Yes.
On Bella Malach, I don't know that. That's
Bar
pretty-
Maluches.
Bale
Workers.
Meluches.
Craftsmen.
Oh, haben sich nicht genommen zu der Arbeit. And the craftsmen did not work that day or go to their work. Auf Isaaclin hat der herabgekommene wichtige Mensch to Isaac, the very important man that came, gemacht an äußerlich guten Eindruck. I'm not sure what äußerlich is. Exceptionally good Eindruck. A look.
Impression. Impression.
Impression. An älterer Herr. Oh, he was old, gray hair, mit monocle.
Monocle. A monocle.
On your eye. Yeah.
Monocle.
Hat gerät, gelassen und sich freundlich benommen. He spoke nicely and he was friendly. I think that's the. Wohin wilt ihr immigrieren? Where do you want to immigrate to? Kein America. Hat ihr dort Kruvim? Do you have relatives or what?
Craven.
Yeah. Craven, what is that?
Relatives.
Relatives. Do you have relatives? Well, it's interesting to note because Canadians live in America too. So they should have said United States.
What did they-
No comment.
No,
Wait, you were all-
no, Canadians, they don't like when we use America for the United States because they're in America also. I know. Yeah.
Can I ask a question? You all spoke at the same time. It says, do you have, and I don't know what it was.
Relatives.
A relatives. Okay.
Yeah. Well, you have to
Kruvim.
answer. Don't forget.
Yeah, Kruvim.
Kruvim?
Kruvim.
What?
That's relatives.
Okay.
Okay?
Bedankt.
Okay. Go on, Beverly.
Kruvim is family.
Yeah, relatives, family, yes.
Yeah, my wife's mother, my wife's aunt, Zelda Weinstein. In New York, in the Bronx, Sehr gut.
Maurice, do you know her?
Uh-oh, do you know her? Sehr gut, hat der Mensch gesagt. Very good, said the man. Und ob nicht American, and then what if you're not going to go to America? Hat der Mensch gefragt, he asked, the man asked, was nicht America? Why not America? Hat Isaacl aufgezittert. Oh, he was shaking. He got so nervous. And doch, Mele, was es macht sie? Well, so what does it matter? Is that correct? Would that be
No, I
correct?
think no.
I'm not sure.
I'm
Mele.
not sure. Maurice, Morty, what do you think? I think Mele was that it may happen. I'm
Yeah.
not sure.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
whatever will happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever will happen.
Aha. Here we go. Is Canada? Aha. Hat Isaacl geämpft? Is Canada? Isaac answered, Wemmen hat ihr dort? Do you have anybody in Canada? Hat der wichtige, the important man gefragt. He asked, do you have anyone in Canada? Mein Freund, Ezer Simcha, Ogresbaum, my friend.
Agensbaum. That's
Yeah,
his name.
Yeah, Ezer Simcha. Maury, do you know him?
Yes, he's a neighbor.
He's a neighbor.
Good, aber doch. So, well, maybe there. Then nicht Canada. Why not Canada?
No, when is Canada? If not Canada.
If not Canada.
Oh. And he doesn't want to go to Canada. Is that
No,
what you're
no,
saying?
No.
The person is asking.
The visitor
and
is
what-
asking, what if not Canada?
Exactly. Yeah. What if Canada will not be happening?
Oh. Mela, was ist, I don't know what this, oh wait.
Was es macht sich?
Yeah, Minna's face is in my way. Well, whatever happens, happens. I think that's what they mean, no?
Yeah.
Mela,
Yeah,
was ist,
yeah.
whatever happens, happens.
Okay, que sera, sera. Yeah. Okay, Beverly.
Okay.
Thank you very
And
much.
Argentina next. Okay, go
Okay.
ahead.
Thank you very much, Beverly.
Sure.
Rina Lea, can you read?
Let's see. Mein Freund, Ozer
No,
Simcha,
Argentina.
oh, Argentina, hat Ezekiel geantwortet in Citerenisch. Argentina had Isaac answered in shivering, shaking or something?
Shaking, yeah.
Shaking, yeah. Ihr hat dort Emerson, you have someone there? Mein bester Freund, Sholem Menschholz. My best friend, Sholem Menschholz. Ganz gut, hat der geantwortet. That's good, they answered him. Obezoy hat
But
Ezekiel
just a moment. I want
yes.
to. The hair
Yes, sir.
is referring to him in the German way of Mr.
Ah,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
right here. Answered him. Obezoy hat Ezekiel sich getracht. Male, was es macht. Male, was es machen sich, hat aufgegeben nach 5 Ländern und 5 Namen von seine Kosover. If Obezoy, if
So,
then,
if
so
In that case,
in that case, Isaac had thought to himself, now Mala, like if only, I'm not sure what the Mala word
well, it's
keeps
like,
meaning.
well then,
Well then, what's
whatever.
going to happen? Whatever. He answered after about he gave him after 5 lands and 5 names from his Kosovo land.
So he said, if not United States, it's not Canada, and if not Argentina, he gave another 5 countries just in case.
Oh, okay. 5 names from other countries. Okay.
Go on, prächtig.
Okay. Prächtig hat der Mensch gesagt. Now, what's prächtig?
Perfect.
Fine.
Fine. Perfect. Very good.
Fine. Okay, had the man said. Der ältere Herr mit den Monocle, the old man with the monocles, hat ärgst geschrieben und der langt das Papier Ezekiel zum Unterschreiben, als Ezekiel wird halten Wort. The old man with the monocle had, is that seriously? Eric, is this serious or
Yes,
something?
yes.
Seriously
He
wrote on the, I'm not sure, dear long, slowly? I'm not sure.
he gave the paper to Isaac.
Favor Isaac to sign, was that Unterschreiben?
Yes,
To
to
sign?
sign,
Sign.
yes.
And then the
No,
Isaac.
as,
oh,
to sign as Isaac wird alten Wort, that he will keep his word.
that Isaac would keep his word. As Isaac had wegen dem goldenen der Zelt ist finster geworden das Punim. Let me see. Then Isaac had wegen dem goldenen told
Wegen dem. Wegen
Told her
dem.
about this.
and his the finster, the darker was the face.
Her face became dark.
Dark.
It's
Darker
not
became her.
exact- She was, how do you, Marty, how do you?
He was not pleased.
Was
Not
very
pleased.
displeased.
Distressed.
Very sad, very displeased. But what I was going to say is that normally, at least as far as I know, the expression finster geworden is finster geworden in the Augen.
Yeah, finster
She
van
would
de
have gonna
Augen.
pass out.
Yeah,
It's a saying. It's a saying.
yeah, finster van de Augen, yeah.
Right.
Okay, okay,
Dank.
Rena,
Dank.
thank you very much.
Dank.
What happened? Okay, Luisa, can you continue, please?
Yes. Für was hast du sich nicht eingespart nur auf Amerika? Why didn't you insist, I suppose,
Yes,
that
yes.
only to America? Wem hab ich denn auf der Welt? Where do I have in the world? Ob nicht die Mumme Zelda in New York. Whom do I have in the world if not my aunt Zelda in New York? Ihr Ponym und Augen haben geglickt wie in heuchen Fieber. So her face and her eyes were, I don't know, darkened according to this.
No, I think it's shone. They shone.
Oh, listening.
Listening.
As in high, what is fever?
Fever, like a fever in English.
Oh, like in
Fiebre.
fever. Oh, okay. She was so upset that her eyes were bright like in a fever.
Exactly.
Isaac hat beerst nicht gewusst, was zu entfernen. Isaac truly did not know what to answer. Aber Minuten später hat Goldene beruhigte gesagt zu ihrem Mann. But a few minutes later, Goldene, what is beruhigte?
Calmer, she was calm.
She calmly said to her man, to her husband, ob nicht Amerika und man wird uns geben, euch zu glauben ein Land, weil wir fahren nur kein Kanada, if not America, and man wird uns geben, and if they give us euch zu glauben, to choose,
Yes, to choose.
if not to America, if we have to choose a country, will mich fahren nur kein, is it Canada or Canada?
Canada.
Well, but
Somebody's still speaking in the background with the.
I know, but I don't know who it is. I cannot find who it is.
So
You can mic everybody, and then whoever's reading will just unmic themselves. You can say mic all.
So
got quiet.
So
Oh, it's Jerry Lynn. Wait, hold on. I got it. Okay. There we go.
So we will only go
Canada.
to we will only go to Canada. Other Simcha ist keine Ore, a größer Euscher, wirst du rein in seine Geschäften. So, Euser Simche is the name of his friend, right?
Yes, yes.
Is keine Ore, meaning how do we
Bli
say?
ayin hara.
Bli ayin hara. Bli ayin hara.
Elena Ho.
Poo, right?
Yeah, it's poo.
Poo. He's very rich, so you can go into you can join his businesses.
But really now, no joking, how can we translate
Ainara
into
Not an evil eye. Without
Right.
an
Yeah,
evil
not
eye.
an evil eye, right.
Yeah, right.
lest there is an evil eye or something.
Yeah. Okay, thanks,
No,
Lily.
may there not be an evil.
Right, that's what
Yeah.
I mean. Lest there be, so that it won't be. Okay.
Okay, go on. As Isaacle.
As Isaacle is its tarois in gas, homnim seine heimische Wiener, Leitzim, herumgeringelt und sich über ihm gewitzelt. So when Isaacle went out to the street, the people, the clowns, is it the
Yeah.
the clowns from his home, Vienna, herumgeringelt, surrounded, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Und sich über ihn gewitzelt, is it?
Gewitzelt.
And I don't know what gewitzelt is.
Made fun of.
Made
Aha.
fun of.
Isaacle, welches Land hast du ausgeklieben? Isaacle, which country have you chosen or received?
Chosen. Which country have you chosen?
Chosen.
Just a moment, Louise. I saw that Beverly raised her hand. Beverly?
Well, it can wait. It can wait till the end.
No. Okay. It can
No,
wait.
okay. I'll say it now. Well, it's also important to know that a lot of people, and that I know also they went to Argentina and Canada. Later, they came here. So maybe it was easier to come to the United States if you were in Canada and Argentina. I know people who did that. I guess that is also what happened.
Yeah, my
I think Beverly
grandmother-
knows the end of the story. Beverly, you know the end. You've already guessed the end of the story.
Oh, no,
My
I don't.
grandmother waited until after the war because they weren't sending passenger ships so much during the war because they could get attacked. So one of the first ships out of Buenos Aires after the war, she was on to go to her relatives in New York.
So she came to Buenos Aires first?
Yeah, the whole family went to Argentina, which I'm sure they got help from, Bessarabia. They were helped probably and then from there they moved on, different places. Yeah.
Okay. So
I think it was
okay.
typical.
Yeah. Luisa, yes?
Yeah, actually, that the story of my parents arriving in Argentina is probably related to this story, but this story was published in 1948, right? And when was
not
it
sure
written?
Yeah, 48, yes.
When was it written?
If it was published in 48, and it was probably written after the war, so
Right.
between
45.
46
Right.
46 and
Right.
48.
So my parents were in Poland, and they wanted to come to America, and they were told that they would have to wait for 5 years to get a visa to come to the state right after the war. So they ended up going to France, and actually they were also helped exactly by the Joint and the Hayas, Hebrew Immigration Society. They were working together, and they were told that they could wait in France for 5 years before they would come to the United States. But at the time, they were found by some, my mother's uncles who had gone to Argentina before the war. So they received an invitation, but Argentina was not allowing people in 1948. It was illegal because Perón's government was not allowing anybody to come out from the Holocaust survivors. So my parents ended up boarding the ship and going to Uruguay, and they had to come to Argentina illegally at the end. They had to get on a boat, and they went from Montevideo to Buenos Aires, entered Argentina illegally because the immigration was closed in Argentina as well.
So just a moment, I wanted to ask Maurice, I know that your parents went to France, were in France, so it took them really, they had to wait for such a long time to get to the United States?
I don't know how long it took them, but they got to France, I think in 46 or 47 from the DP camp. And we didn't come to America until 1955.
That's it.
So it just took a long time. I mean, America was not welcoming to Jewish immigrants.
Right.
So that's because I knew that you were in France, so that's
Sure.
it just corroborates what other people are saying, that you had to wait for a long time in order to get into the United
Right.
States.
And it's possible that they had a choice of other countries, but I never heard about it. So that's why I'm Maurice and not Morris.
And not Morris, okay.
I bet it helped if you had relatives waiting for you that could vouch for you, you know? If you
my
didn't,
father
it
had an
probably took
aunt.
a lot longer.
My father had an aunt in Brooklyn.
There
who
you
was
go,
around
yeah.
World War I.
Can I ask you, Maurice, can I ask you?
Are we going?
Yeah, we're gonna go. I want to ask something, Maurice. Your parents didn't want to go to Israel like a pioneer?
My father's brother went to Israel. He went to Haifa, but my father and my mother decided not to go to Israel. It was a choice they made. I mean, in part, if they had gone to Israel, my father would have been with his brother. But when they went to Paris, my mother had a brother and a sister who were already in
so it
Paris.
was her part of the
So
family.
she won that argument, I guess.
You won the argument.
I mean, it
You
was
see,
a tough, I'm sure it was a tough choice for them, you know.
I think it was in many families because my parents, they were thinking about it was either Montreal or Israel.
Right.
Because Montreal, there was my father's stepsister was in Montreal.
Right.
In Israel, there were just a lot of other Jews. So they decided,
Yeah.
finally, my mother won and
Yeah.
they decided to go to Israel.
the way
But
it
I
is.
think that it was in many families, there was this debate, where
Sure.
are you going to go if we can? So, yeah. So, Morty.
Yeah, this story sounds very familiar. A sister of my grandmother with her son had escaped the war going to Russia. Unfortunately, her husband got killed by the Russians as soon as he got in because he was a Chosid, and they were sent, the aunt and her son were sent to Kazakhstan. Anyway, when the war ended and the Russians established the communist government in Poland, the Polish people who were in Russia were allowed to go back to Poland. And for a while, Poland opened its doors to Jews. And my aunt, grand aunt, and her son went to France. And from there, requested a visa to come to Peru because my aunt's sister was there. Anyway, they had to wait in France from 1946 to 1948 before they were allowed to come.
Right.
Exactly.
This story encompasses the experiences of so many of our parents or grandparents, it depends, yeah. So it's really wonderful, I think. Rachel and then Louisa. Rachel?
Yeah, same story. After the war, my mother found one brother. She had three brothers. She found one brother, and his wife had a sister in Israel by that time. So my mother's entire family ended up in Israel. My father had an aunt in the United States, and the entire family on my father's side came to the United States. And my mother always used to walk around murmuring, "Ich bin zwischenfremder, bin zwischenfremder."
What does that mean?
She was with
She was
strangers,
among
with
strangers.
enemies. She was
Yeah.
among strangers because actually she had none of her family. The second and third brothers did not show up. The second brother ended up in Poland and they found out that he was alive somewhere in the 50s. And the third brother, they didn't find out was alive because he was in Moscow behind the Iron Curtain until that fell. And all three
Wow.
ended up, well, two of the brothers ended up in Israel, and the third one actually died before he was going to go visit Israel.
Okay.
So,
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, those are the family stories that we are carrying with us. Yeah. Luisa?
Yeah, I wanted to say that one of my parents' friend is a couple who were who were friends of my parents. I don't know if they met while they were in France, but I know that, for example, they had the daughter who is exactly my age. They remained in France, and she was born in France. Then they went to Argentina. So they and I wanted also to say that a lot of the Jews at that time who were out of the concentration camps did not want to go to Israel, because I remember my mother telling me that in Israel they would also put them immediately in Cyprus. So they would go from concentration camps to, again, other concentration camps.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's what made a lot of people choose not to go to Israel.
It
Yeah,
was
that
not
was,
the
yeah.
same.
Also, they couldn't go.
Cyprus and the concentration camp in Europe were not the same, but
Yeah, but Neely, it was the same feeling. It was the feeling of being
okay.
behind barbed wires. It was the feeling. But
The best
also,
thing
Neely,
was to be a chalutz and go to Israel
Neely,
and
Neely,
not everybody
you
can do that.
confuse the times. You confuse the time. The British government
yes, I
closed the
know.
doors to Israel.
Yes.
They were not able to get, because the amount of certificates given to people to go
know,
to
I
Israel
know.
was minimal. They couldn't go.
Yes,
So
I
that's
know
why
that.
there were the illegal immigration to Israel. The
right.
ships, the small ships that crossed the Mediterranean and went to Israel. So that's I will do those ships another time. SHIPS. I'm sorry.
Okay, okay.
I don't pronounce it right.
Take your time.
Yeah. So those were the illegal. That was the illegal immigration to Israel. But that's a story for another time. We will do it, but another time. Bonnie.
Yeah, I wanted to ask, there were a couple people said that their families went to France and then Argentina. Were the French not welcoming the Jews? Why did they go from France to Argentina, or was it strictly for family?
It was in Europe.
I think it was mostly for family, but Luisa, yeah.
Yeah, my mother told me that they did not want to stay in Europe, period.
Exactly.
And also, I wanted to say that my girlfriend, who later went to school with me, the girl that was born in Paris, by the way, she went to Israel with the 6-Day War, and she's still there. She lives in Jerusalem. But she was born in Paris. She was educated in Argentina, and then she married an Israeli after the 6-Day War, and so she's now in Jerusalem.
So it was mostly because they didn't want to stay in Europe.
They were terrified. They were terrified, and
Yeah.
my mother left a brother behind in Warsaw, because he was terrified. I told this story before. He was terrified of leaving Poland because he had been injured in his right hand, and he was afraid that if we went to another country, he would not be able to work physical labor, because the Germans had injured his right hand with poisonous bullets. And he spent the rest of his life in the army. He was part of the Polish army, but of course he was more comfortable staying in Poland because he was afraid of not having the use of.
But there were also instances of the Poles killing those people that came back to their towns.
Yeah,
I forget her name. She wrote a whole book about that. She went with her parents to their house, and they came and shot them.
yeah.
Yeah.
There were
But-
instances of this one, yeah.
Because they were
Yeah.
afraid they'd have to take back the houses. Don't forget, they stole everything.
But my uncle, if I may add, my uncle, this same uncle had been drafted by the Russians at the beginning of the war because he was actually from Lvov, from the Ukraine area, and he was Russian speaking as well. And he ended up coming to Poland as the liberator, and he was a colonel in the Polish army for many, many years, until they demoted him for being Jewish.
Okay. Yeah, Rina Lea, yeah.
I had a question. I'm a second generation, so this is about my grandparents, but maybe somebody can help me figure this out because they're not around anymore. So my grandfather from Tarnów, Poland, he told us when we were little that he came here like in the 20s, but he had to be in the United States somehow illegally. Then he went back to Cuba and then he came here from Cuba. And that was before the war and everything, but I don't know if anybody knows
Yeah.
anything about that.
Okay, so in the 20s, I think it was 1924, I think. So there were the United States established immigration law, strict
Oh,
immigration
right.
law for Jews, and not only for Jews.
Yeah, for in
Irish,
general.
all the undesirables, like, you know. So people, there was a very small amount of people that could go directly to the United States. Many people went to Cuba in the hope that, you know, from Cuba, it will be easier for them to enter the United States.
Yeah.
And so some could, some couldn't, so.
But if you enter from another, back in the 20s or even after the war, if you enter from Cuba or later on from Argentina, are you not still a citizen from Poland or Russia or whatever? Or do you become first a citizen of that? So your passport only has like, I'm a Cuban coming and I'm not a Polish.
No, I don't think that they got a Cuban passport.
I don't think so.
I don't
It
think
doesn't-
they got a Cuban passport. If you know there's something different, please tell me.
No, we
because-
had quotas. We had
Yeah.
quotas from countries, including
Yeah.
Cuba. My
Yeah.
uncle couldn't get into the United States. He came in through Canada, et cetera, stories you've heard before.
Even
Maurice,
today,
Maurice.
Nina, even today, the
Yeah.
United States does not necessarily consider your citizenship from passport, but they consider the place where you were born for
Really?
quota purposes.
Yeah.
Then why is
So-
it easier to come from another country? Why is it easier to come from another country then?
I think they thought that it was easier just to, because Cuba was nearer the United States, so
Yeah,
they thought
probably.
that
And-
they
and-
may, you know, enter somehow.
It's never
And
easy.
there you could wait until the quota allowed you to come in if you had requested a visa.
After Batista, before
Before
Cuba was
Castro.
free, but after him, we had quotas from Cuba.
Well, another factor in here might be that, you know, if you managed to get into Cuba and you didn't do anything that put you in prison or got you a bad name or whatever, they probably felt safer. They had some record of what you were like. Whereas, you know, to find out from the shtetl and, you know, when you came to Ellis Island or and came in, how are they going to know whether you have a bad reputation or you're sick or anything? Whereas, you know, Cuba, they might have had better records or better ways of checking. There's a lot of factors in this stuff.
Yeah, there has to be more research put into it.
Yeah.
You know. I don't know enough. I know I have a story about Cuba, but I have to read more about, you know, the background for it. So when we will reach Cuba, until then I will read more about it. Yeah. Barbara.
So I just had a question, considering this time following the war, there was a Red Scare. And Cuba was not communist, certainly.
Yeah.
Until the Castro Revolution. So there may be a factor here with regard to, or so-called, you know, considering this was all bureaucracies working this, there could be a factor of the Red Scare in giving people entry into the United States. I'm just curious.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
It was
Maybe.
later, the Red
And that
Scare.
was also one of the factors for establishing the the immigration laws, the Red Scare.
Right.
Yeah, that was one of it. So.
Now, the Cold War began immediately after the Second World War. I mean,
You're speaking of the Red Scare after World War
yes, I'm
II.
talking
I
about
was-
following the, yeah,
I
I'm not
was
talking about,
no, I was ready because after World War I there was a Red Scare as well.
right,
In
right,
the
but no, this is,
1980s. Yeah.
no, I'm talking about the Red Scare following World War II. I mean, the
Okay,
Cold War
okay.
began very
Yeah.
quickly.
Immediately.
Yeah. So
The
that's why I was wondering.
communists wanted to take over the world.
Didn't you hear they're poisoning our blood? Yeah. all the-
Okay, anyway, when did Hilda, when did Churchill say that, you know, the Iron Curtain, when was it?
That's
49?
right.
49, I think.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think 49, I'm not sure.
We now have to get on the internet and explore what we were talking about.
Yeah, okay, Louisa, and we are
I
done.
couldn't bug.
Yeah,
We
I
will
also,
finish the story next time. We will finish the story next time, but yeah, Louisa.
yeah, I also wanted to add that during the 30s, Argentina was a big world power. Argentina was very rich. And so it was a magnet. Of course, from then on, it went downhill. But after Perón, it went downhill. But at the beginning of the century and into the late 30s, you know, or even through the 40s, it was very rich, and a lot of people from all over the world went to Argentina. It is a
Yeah.
melting pot, much like the United States. And for many, many years, it used to have a very, very significant middle class, like the United States used to have. So those who could not get in after 1924 started certainly thinking down, and ended up in Argentina because it was very, very welcoming for many years.
Churchill Iron
So
Curtain.
I just
speech
wanted to give you the date for the Churchill
Yeah,
speech.
1946.
March 5, 1946.
Yeah, I just
Iron
looked
Curtain.
it up also,
Thank you.
1946.
Wow, so that's really early. Yeah.
Yeah.
My
Okay.
mother Tottenham came from Argentina too.
In 1924. What did Churchill say?
He said
Well,
an
in
iron
his-
curtain has descended on Eastern Europe,
Oh,
on
yeah.
Europe.
Yeah, that's considered to be the, you know, the beginning of the Cold War. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Okay, thank you.
See you
Thank
next
you, Jen.
week.
Thank
That
you.
was so
thank you.
interesting. I learned so
Thank
much.
you. Yes,
See
thank
you
you,
next
everybody,
week.
for your
We will
histories.
finish
That's
reading
right.
this story, and then we will make a pause for Purim, and then we will continue our trip around the world.
But Nina, it's perfect because when you go around the world, it brings up all these stories. So that's what's
Exactly.
That's what we're
Also,
doing.
in different countries, there were different things. You know, when we will read about Cuba, there we will talk about
Traveling the
Cuba.
world in Yiddish stories. That's what we
Yeah.
do. Traveling the world
exactly.
in Yiddish.
around the world in
Exactly.
Yiddish.
Yeah. Around the world, yeah.
Okay.
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 See you
bye-bye.
next
you.
week, guys. Sei
Bye.
gesund.
Bye.
Leute.
Thank you.
Thank you.